How to build a website with Claude. Want to build a website using AI? Here's the easy step-by-step guide with Claude. So start by defining your website's purpose, portfolio, blog, online store, or AI tools hub. Claude works best when you give clear goals. So ask Claude to draft your homepage tags, product descriptions, or blog posts. Use prompts like write a homepage intro for a tech tool site. Pick a platform to host your site. WordPress is flexible, Wix is beginner friendly, and Webflow is great for design control. Use your platform's editor to design the layout. Claude can help generate HTML or CSS snippets or suggest design structures. If your site is about AI tools, embed Claude or other APIs. Add interactive features like chatbots, calculators, or dashboards. Optimize with keywords, meta descriptions, and responsive design. Then hit publish, and your Claude powered website is live. Claude makes website building faster, generate content, assist with code, and streamline design. Perfect for freelancers and small businesses. And that is the easy guide to building a website with Claude.